Howdy, howdy, I'm back. Well, you may not know that I got back, but I'm back. Recently, I went to my wife's grandparents' house because they're doing an estate sale. Her grandmother just passed, and I wanted some of her grandpa's tools. So I got a few things, little small things here and there, but I picked this chainsaw. He had like 3 of them. I was using it for fun, cutting stuff up, and then I tried starting it up the other day, and it was real gloggy. Changed the cards. It was like 20 bucks on that Amazon website that everybody uses. So there's that. Came with an air filter that does not fit it. Cool. Hopefully this fits. And I'll just use the old one. Okay. Bogs down a little bit. See, it does that. So I'm gonna change carburetor. So let's do that. Cool. I got a bunch of screwdrivers, like a whole sets. We're gonna go ahead and use those on this here. Hey, I got a set of greens and a set of the wood ones. I remember these. I'm sure they're China, but you know, it's a sentimental value that I found in it. Oh, good. Whew. I don't want to mess with the internals here. So we're just gonna do that. Oh, there's my problem right here. So I need a new one of those that rotted out. I'm sure the carb is fine, but I'm gonna keep it. That's what we're gonna do. So you go here. Should just come off. Okay, cool. Does that stay together? Is that wiggling sound? No. This is not cracked or anything, so that's nice. Usually these go out first. Okay. Ooh, slides right on there. Okay. Can we go further? Just a little further. There we go. Get in there. All right. Okay. Now, let's just I should have reached far over there. Is that what it did last time? No. Here we go. There it goes. Okay. Now. No, stop it. There it goes. Okay. Go on here like this. Yes. And then the choke sisses. You went on here like this. Flippity-roo. There we go. Look at that. Fixed it. There we go. Let's do. Whoop. Whoop. Reset. That's what it was.
I knew it was heavy. That's awesome.
Anyway, that was the first time I changed the carburetor on a chainsaw. So, yep. Nice and warmed up. Bye.